Before God blesses your life, there are things He will remove, and it won't always feel good. In fact, it might feel like everything is falling apart. But here's what you need to understand. It's not destruction. It's preparation. Because the Bible says, to everything there is a season. Ecclesiastes 3:1. First, God will remove the wrong people. Not everyone in your life is meant to go where God is taking you. Why? Because bad company corrupts good character. 1 Corinthians 15:33. Then He will remove distractions, the things stealing your time, your focus, your peace. Because fix your eyes not on what is seen, but on what is unseen. 2 Corinthians 4:18. Next, He will remove your comfort zone, that place where you feel safe, but never grow. Because we walk by faith, not by sight. 2 Corinthians 5:7. After that, He will remove pride, that voice that says, I don't need God. And remember, God opposes the proud, but gives grace to the humble. James 4:6. Then comes this. He will remove toxic habits, the patterns you keep repeating that quietly destroy your future. Because throw off everything that hinders and run with perseverance. Hebrews 12:1. And it doesn't stop there. He will remove false security, the things you trust more than Him, money, people, plans. Because trust in the Lord with all your heart. Proverbs 3:5. And finally, God may remove what you thought you needed the most, not to hurt you, but to show you He is enough. Because my grace is sufficient for you. 2 Corinthians 12:9. So if you feel like you're losing things right now, don't panic. Here's the truth. God is not taking from you, He's making room for what's better. Because then we know that in all things, God works for the good. Romans 8:28. Follow for more messages from God.